Tired of slow downloads and no control? I know the feeling. You click a file, and then you just wait and wait. And Chrome barely gives you any options to manage it. Well, here is the fix. I am going to show you how to add the free Download Manager, or FDM, extension to Chrome in about 2 minutes. It will supercharge your download speed and give you way more control. All right, so here is the plan. I am going to walk you through every single step. We will start by opening Chrome. Then we will navigate to the Extensions menu, head over to the Chrome Web Store, search for FDM, and finally install it. It sounds like a lot, but trust me, it is quick and easy. Let's get started. First things first, go ahead and open up Google Chrome. Just launch it like you normally would. You can find it on your taskbar, your desktop, or wherever you usually keep it. Now that you have Chrome open, look at the very top right corner of the window. You will see 3 little dots stacked vertically. That is the menu button. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. This opens up the main settings menu for Chrome. Once that menu is open, you need to find the option that says Extensions. Just hover your mouse over the word Extensions. You don't need to click it yet. Just let your mouse sit there for a second, and a smaller submenu will pop up to the side. In that little submenu that just appeared, there is an option that says Visit Chrome Web Store. Click on that. This will take you directly to the official place where you can find extensions and add-ons for Chrome, and this is exactly where we need to be. All right, so now you are on the Chrome Web Store page. Look at the top center of the page. There is a search bar. Click inside that search bar and type in FDM. Just the 3 letters, FDM. Hit Enter on your keyboard. A list of results will pop up. You are looking for the one that says Free Download Manager. It will usually be the first result. Go ahead and click on that listing. Now you are on the official page for the Free Download Manager extension. On the right side of the screen, you will see a big blue button that says Add to Chrome. Click that button. A small dialog box will pop up. It will show you what permissions the extension needs. Just take a quick look at that, and then click the button that says Add Extension. And that is it. Chrome will now download and install the extension. You might see a little loading animation for a moment, but it will only take a few seconds. Once it is done, you will see a little confirmation. The FDM extension is now live in your browser. You will probably see its icon appear right next to your address bar at the top. From now on, whenever you click a download link in Chrome, Free Download Manager will take over and handle it for you. Faster speeds, better organization, and way more control. You are all set. Enjoy your new supercharged downloads.